Hello friends, my name is Ashish Prajapati or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of my improving my spoken English journeys. So today's my topic is about how to have a confidence and what did I yesterday. So firstly I tell you about what did I yesterday. Yesterday I wake up around 6 o'clock and then after I take bath and then after I make and then after I prepared my food and then after I went to the temple because yesterday was a Sunday, so there was have because there, so there was have my so there had my class about related to Bhagavad Gita. So after I took my Bhagavad Gita there and after I come back to my home and then I took some nap and then after around evening 4 o'clock I went to in the market for purchase some vegetables and then came back to my home and then around 10:30 p.m. I took sleep and this is my yesterday routine. Also, now I tell you about how to build confidence in the speaking English. Firstly, I want to say you speak. What do you know about English? You need first to speak anything you know in English. If you don't speak, you can't improve your confidence. So I want you to speak anything like what did you yesterday and what will you want in your future, what do you do now, and about anything like what thing right now and what eat yesterday, anything. And then second things, how you watch podcast related to English language and you watch English movies because English movies provide you accents related spoken English sentences and then which things you have interested related to you watch, like you like to English story watching, so you definitely watch English stories and then you use Instagram. Are you using Instagram? If you using Instagram, then you Instagram and follow some small reels related to English words like reels in say where are you go and what do you do yesterday, like a small child teaching related reels channels you follow and there to you listen and improve your English. And second thing, you can follow many apps related to speaking English like peer ups app. You can speak to any person to person calls on talk live, and in this apps you don't judge any person about what types of your English and how you don't speak properly. That's problem, not you judge any person because you in front of you have a person that he is not know about properly English. So you definitely use peer ups app. And if you have a fears about talking to persons, you can use ChatGPT for talking in AI chatbot. Like you ChatGPT to use, hey ChatGPT, what will I do tomorrow about. You can ask any questions to ChatGPT and what is the future goals, about anything you can ask about your in minds. So second things, how you make your daily video about what did you learn today, and then you practice what did you learn today about, and then again listens in this video why what types of mistake I made in this in this videos. You and then improve these types of your mistakes, and then best way is you do your practice in front of mirror. Mirror is the best friend of your improving your English. Second thing is your best friend you yourself, because if you have confidence okay, you can speak English, you should definitely use English words like and where are you go, like anything you can speak what in have your minds related any question. So this is the my today's topic is complete, so we will meet tomorrow. Okay, bye. If you want improve with me your English, you should subscribe this channel and like this video and waiting for watching next video, and bye bye.